please, please do not make the same mistakes we have. Hey everyone, Ben and Ob here. Tonight we're attending the Orlando Informer Meetup. These meetups are amazing. There's food, there's rides, and there is so much fun. However, there's a lot of ways you can mess things up. We have done it, and you're gonna learn from us. Find out the top 5 things not to do at the Orlando Informer Meetups. Mistake number 1 that you can make when coming to an Orlando Informer Meetup is not utilizing all the time you get here. You can check in to a meetup at 3 p.m. and you can get into the parks at 5 p.m. You don't need a daytime ticket to get into the parks at that 5 p.m. time slot. All you need is your Orlando Informer ticket. When you get into the parks, yes, there are going to be other people here in the park still for their regular daytime routine. However, you get to still ride the rides and enjoy the time until everything shuts down to regular guests and the park's just for you. Right now, MIB is just like a 20-minute wait. You can go jump on that ride, which is what we're gonna go do right now. Enjoy our time until the park shuts down and free food starts flowing.
Win today?
Absolutely. I know what I did wrong. You know, I dry fired a little bit last night when I was dying of food poisoning.
Food poisoning.
Stop talking about this is my video. But we're gonna rally. We're gonna do well today. We're gonna do well.
MIB was a blast, and guess who won? Mistake number 2 of things not to do during the Orlando Informer event, though. Don't do too much. Hear me out. The food is flowing, the rides are walk-ons, and it's really easy to overdo it too quickly. You've got hours throughout the entire night to spread the food out and to enjoy a ride here and there as you go. If you want to see us overdo it, check out the video in the description box below where we try to eat all of the food during the meetup. It doesn't go very well. We're gonna keep wandering around and head on to mistake number 3.
Do just about nothing. You saw me working. I was just clicking stuff and hoping for the best, if I'm being completely honest with you. You guys are the party people though, right? Woo! Hey, I think he's this side of the room.
Yeah.
You guys calm down. It's gonna be a crazy party, I can tell. Ted's just supposed to be here to talk to you guys about this party bus business. He's not, as you can see, so you just have me for a bit. Hopefully, there he is. Hey.
Jamie,
yeah.
The buses are here.
Okay, and then these people can be on their way, and then did you want me to get, oh, Dom is calling, I'll get it.
I got this, Jamie.
Okay, good.
Dom, what up?
I don't know how to get it.
Tej, just got a heads up from Hobbs. The FBI's about to raid your location.
Great, yeah.
Man, they always ruining our fun.
What else is new?
It gets worse. They're leading Owen Shaw right to your door.
Yeah, that is worse.
Shaw, that cockroach we beat down in Spain?
Right.
Mistake number 3 during the Orlando Informer Meetups is forgetting to front load the larger attractions. Due to local noise ordinances, some of the larger attractions need to be closed prior to midnight. That means that you have to get in the queue around 11:30 or 11:45. This was one that we didn't listen to, and unfortunately, we missed out on some of the large, exciting attractions during our first Orlando Informer Meetup. So don't forget, front load those attractions, get those done prior to 11:30 or closer to midnight.
Mistake number 4 when coming to an OI meetup is to not waste those precious steps. Now, During a day at the park and doing this event, you could get 10, 20, even 30,000 steps easy. When you come to the meetup, come in with a plan. Know where you want to go, do a round, and then head over to the next park. Our first meetup, we bounced between the parks maybe 2 or 3 times, and our feet were fried. Come in with a plan, know what you want to do, and enjoy your night.
Rolling.
Be rolling.
Be rolling.
Pick that up
Bend over.
to the front. Touch your toe.
Bend and snap, John. That was not much of a snap.
Our 5th and final mistake for attending an Orlando Informer Meetup is not attending both nights. We've already said earlier, don't try and cram it all in. And 2 nights allows you to have a nice leisurely stroll around the park, enjoy the rides you want to ride, enjoy the food that you want to, and still have plenty of time for more activities. We've met a ton of people who've only attended one night and absolutely regretted not doing both nights. Don't let regret hold you back. Attend both nights and have as much fun as you possibly can at an Orlando Informer event. This wraps up our 5 mistakes that you might be making at an Orlando Informer event. If you got anything out of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stick around for more Universal content. Thanks for watching. Bye.